Are you looking for a lawn spreader that can handle even the most stubborn of soils? Look no further than the best lawn spreader. This versatile tool can be used to apply fertilizer, weed killer, or water to your lawn no matter how hard the ground is. Plus, it's easy to operate and has a durable construction that will last for years. So let's get started. List number 1, Scott's Elite Spreader. The Scott's Elite Spreader contains features that are important to both homeowners and lawn care professionals. Its dual rotors provide increased accuracy and a 6-foot spread pattern, which means you make less passes across your yard, saving you time. The ergonomic handle provides comfort, while featuring a smartphone holder for that extra touch of electronics. The 10-inch tires are foam-filled, so they won't ever go flat, which is the best safety feature on any lawn mower. The 10-inch tires are foam-filled, so they won't ever go flat. It's our most advanced and accurate spreader yet. Dual rotors provide increased accuracy and a 6-foot spread pattern, which means you make less passes across your yard, saving you time. The large hopper holds up to 20,000 square. Featuring of Scott's lawn product. The Scott's Elite Spreader is the most accurate and advanced spreader we've ever made. The ergonomic handle provides comfort, while featuring a smartphone holder for added convenience. Dual rotor technology provides a smooth and even spread, even when the terrain is rough. Never flat tires conquer any terrain. The ergonomic handle has a smartphone holder for maximum control over your work site, plus it holds up to 4 tablets. List number 2, Scott's Turf Builder Edge Guard Mini Broadcast Spreader. The Scott's Turf Builder Edge Guard Mini Broadcast Spreader is the perfect option for any lawn care task and holds up to 5,000 square. Featuring of Scott's product. When engaged, it will block off the right side of the spreader pattern so that fertilizer, grass seed, and other lawn care products are dispensed in a concentrated field instead of being spread on top of non-lawn areas. This makes operation even more efficient and effective than similar products on the market. Using the Edge Guard Mini Broadcast Spreader is simple. First, calibrate each Scott's product settings by turning rate control dial to the correct setting listed on the back of each product. The Edge Guard Mini Broadcast Spreader features a unique front-load hopper that makes it easy to pour fertilizer, grass seed and other products into the spreader. When Edge Guard is engaged, it will block off the right side of the spreader pattern to prevent product from spreading onto non-lawn areas. To begin spreading your Scott's product, turn rate control dials to the correct setting listed on the back of each Scott's product, pour product in the hopper and start spreading. The lawn spreader's design enhancements feature a curved hopper and dual-bladed agitator for smooth product funneling and consistent coverage. Not to mention, it is compact and features a fold-down handle for easy storage. Spreaders provide uniform coverage of granular products. List number 3, AgriFab 85 pounds. Tow Broadcast Spreader. The AgriFab Tow Broadcast Spreader will help you grow the beautiful lawn that you've always wanted. Its best time to use a spreader is in the spring when bare areas of grass need to be seeded. In the summer, fertilize and feed when necessary to enhance growth. The AgriFab 85 pounds. Tow Broadcast Spreader is designed for fast, efficient, and controlled distribution of broadcast fertilizer, seed and even mulch. This spreader will help you grow a beautiful lawn that you've always wanted. It is the best time to apply a light broadcast spread. Spring when bare areas need coverage or in the summer when feeding is necessary in order to promote growth. The AgriFab 85 pounds. The 85 pounds broadcast spreader features a cable flow control that allows users to open or close the gate as needed during spreading. This can be especially helpful when trying to achieve more accurate application rates and eliminate overfilling the hopper, which can damage seed quality. This heavy-duty broadcast spreader is designed to handle the toughest jobs. The durable steel frame and poly hopper provide unmatched durability and strength, while the hopper and gearbox are protected by an all-metal construction. The steel cable flow control provides easy adjustment of your broadcast spreader's width, while the operator adjustable leg height gives a wide stance and easy access to seed level control stations. Optional accessories include a grate, deflector kit, hopper cover and brake controller. List number 4. AgriFab 450463-130 pound tow behind broadcast spreader. The AgriFab tow behind spreader 450463 will help you grow the beautiful lawn that you've always wanted. This is the best time to use a spreader, as it makes spreading grass seed over bare areas easy. In the spring, spread grass seed over bare areas when needed. An enclosed gearbox prevents spreading grass seed or fertilizer from disrupting activity, so it's possible to spread fertilizer at the same time as spreading seeds. The AgriFab 130 pounds tow behind spreader will last you for years to come with proper care and use. The 130-pound tow behind broadcast spreader is ideal for fertilizing small areas and preparing lawns for seeding. It features a gearbox to prevent misplacing seed or fertilizer from interrupting work, and an enclosed design to keep air circulation in the area where you are working. This model also comes equipped with steel wheels for ease of use, as well as non-marking rubber tires that provide stability during operation. Proudly made in USA with some imported materials. Get even more utility and performance out of AgriFab's 130-pound broadcast spreaders with optional hopper covers, material deflectors and hopper grates. The hopper covers prevent spillage of material caused by wind or rough terrain and keep it dry. List number 5. Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader. The EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader is perfect for applying grass seed and fertilizer in spring, summer or fall. Its compact size allows you to treat medium-sized areas up to 5,000 square. Featuring, while the Scott's Turf Builder spreaders are delivered ready to use and pre-calibrated, no assembly required. Scott's Turf Builder Mini Broadcast Spreader is designed to help contractors generate superior results when used with Scott's lawn food. The EdgeGuard technology helps maintain a smooth finish, while the dual-side adjustable tines ensure you have the distance needed to remove excess seed, fertilizer or other additives down to just 1/4 inch. The precision-calibrated flow control dial provides accurate setting and easy adjustment for any application. Simply attach the wheels, and it's ready to use. An optional Scott's Weed Lock Loader can easily connect to this spreader for precision application of N-shape herbicides. Ideal for customer landscapes that need precise application of control products or specialized applications such as ice melt or herbicide pellets. Both are available separately. The Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader delivers controlled distribution of grass seed, fertilizer or other products by precisely applying granular materials. The kit includes a small broadcast spreader, 1/8 pounds, bag of Scott's standard granular fertilizer and 1/6 pounds, bag of Scott's organic lawn builder powder. Without this spreader, you may end up with uneven coverage of the fertilizer or control products that can result in uneven feeding, weeds or disease.